Homeowners in Middleburg, Florida, enjoy the beauty of lush greenery, sunny days, and a relaxed suburban lifestyle. But with that beauty comes a challenge familiar to most Floridians: heat, humidity, and frequent rain. These weather conditions can take a toll on your home's exterior, especially your doors. If your doors are warping, swelling, or letting in drafts, it might be time to consider weather-resistant door replacement options designed to handle Middleburg's climate. The right door can protect your home from the elements while improving energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. Let's explore the best materials and styles that offer durability, performance, and beauty for your Middleburg home. Why weather resistance matters in Middleburg. Florida's warm and humid climate can be tough on building materials. Over time, exposure to moisture and heat can cause wood to swell, paint to peel, and seals to deteriorate. In addition, tropical storms and heavy rainfall can expose doors to strong winds and water intrusion. Choosing a weather-resistant door helps you avoid common issues like warping and rotting from moisture exposure, faded paint or finish from UV-raised air leaks, and increased energy bills. Mold and mildew buildup around the frame. A high-quality replacement door not only prevents these problems but also strengthens your home's defense against Florida's unpredictable weather. Fiberglass doors. The ideal balance of beauty and durability for Middleburg homeowners. Fiberglass doors are often the top choice for weather resistance. These doors are engineered to withstand heat, humidity, and rain without warping, cracking, or rotting. Fiberglass doors come with a reinforced core and a weather-sealed finish, making them extremely durable and low maintenance. They can even be designed to replicate the rich texture of real wood, offering the best of both worlds: classic beauty and long-lasting strength. Benefits of fiberglass doors include excellent insulation and energy efficiency, resistance to warping and corrosion, minimal maintenance requirements, compatibility with paint or stain finishes. For added peace of mind, homeowners can choose impact-rated fiberglass doors, which are built to resist high winds and flying debris during storm season. Steel doors. Strength and security for stormy days. If maximum protection is your priority, steel doors are another excellent weather-resistant option. Made from galvanized steel and insulated with foam cores, these doors provide outstanding durability and energy efficiency. Steel doors resist warping and cracking, and modern coatings prevent rust, even in Florida's humid environment. Many models also feature thermal breaks that prevent heat transfer, keeping your interior comfortable year-round. Beyond weather protection, steel doors offer superior security, making them ideal for homeowners who want both strength and style. Key advantages include exceptional impact resistance, low maintenance with rust-resistant finishes, high energy efficiency and insulation, enhanced safety and home security. Available in smooth or textured finishes, steel doors can be painted to match any exterior design, offering both protection and curb appeal. Engineered wood doors. Classic style with modern protection. While solid wood doors are known for their natural beauty, they're not always ideal for Florida's humid conditions. However, engineered wood doors offer an excellent alternative. These doors combine a wood veneer with a moisture-resistant core, reducing the risk of warping and swelling. When sealed properly, engineered wood doors maintain their appearance and structure even in challenging climates like Middleburg's. To extend their lifespan, homeowners should apply a UV and moisture-resistant finish and schedule regular maintenance to reseal and inspect the frame. Energy efficiency and proper installation. Weather-resistant materials are only part of the equation. Proper installation and insulation are equally important for maximizing performance. A professionally installed door ensures that all seals are tight, frames are aligned, and thresholds are properly fitted, preventing air leaks and moisture from creeping in. Upgrading to energy-efficient weather-resistant doors can also lower your cooling costs, helping your HVAC system work more efficiently even during the hottest summer months. Choosing the right door for your home. When selecting a replacement door for your Middleburg home, consider both function and design. Fiberglass and steel offer unmatched durability, while engineered wood provides timeless elegance. Pair your chosen material with features like insulated glass inserts, multi-point locks, and weather stripping for optimal comfort and security. Consulting with a local professional ensures you choose the right door to handle Middleburg's climate while complementing your home's architectural style. Final thoughts: living in Middleburg means enjoying beautiful weather most of the year, but it also means preparing your home for heat, humidity, and storms. Replacing your doors with weather-resistant options helps protect your home from the elements, improves energy efficiency, and enhances curb appeal. Whether you opt for the resilience of fiberglass, the strength of steel, or the elegance of engineered wood, investing in a high-quality, professionally installed door ensures lasting performance and peace of mind for years to come.